Hi, hey, my name's Oliver, and I'm the guest host of Restoration Urge Garage.
Sweet, can you?
The boys finished cutting this side, and now they're gonna repair it.
Hey, good morning. Thanks for watching again. Please like, subscribe, and share. Everybody, aunts, uncles, friends. I'm back at where the frame is, and we just made a template, just paper and some spray paint, magnets, and a couple of guys. So here, I'll flip around. You can see the stencil.
Okay, spent some time cutting everything apart, which has been my job. And just a little left. That goes the whole side's gone. Okay, now we're on our way. Sweet.
It's hot. It's not hot like 100% humidity hot, but it's hot here.
I think I have this cut free. Yeah, oh yeah, it's totally free.
Oh, not even a little resistance.
All right, it's time to grind all this clean. Clean these up. We can tack this side for sure. I'm really proud of this so far. Cool.
All right, hey, another day. Doing some grinding and cutting and trying to fit, and then I'm having it professionally welded, so a little different. But let me show you the progress.
So there's the front piece, and another piece actually goes on top of this that holds the brake assembly. We're still trying to figure out if we can use the original one, but here's that new side. I know you're wondering how is he going to drill holes, but I don't think that's going to be a big deal. And then there's the new front inner frame rails. and the support. And it's really very, very straight. And then we checked it corner to corner, both directions, and it was exactly on. Exactly on. It was like 73, like a 16th shy of 73. So that's our progress. I think it looks beautiful. I hope you guys do too. Here we go. Okay, frame rails are on, everything's tacked up. My welder buddy did an amazing job. Nothing's finished welded yet. We're going to cut the main holes. So we just use the originals as the template and use a little spray paint. I think the white's a good choice. And yeah, once we make sure everything will go together, then everything will get welded solid. Then all we have to do is drill the bolt holes for the flanges, but we're gonna wait to do that till we have the axles and all that together, so we make sure they're located exactly right. But better than before.
Okay, here we are. We spray painted that other piece, that other half. And we know that this is absolutely dead straight. And just to show you how far off the factory can be, or how twisted and bent your frame may be on yours, we just started the hole saw. Let me show you the marks. You can see how off they are, okay?
So you can see where the template was, and it's off a good 1/8 at least. And this line is absolute dead center. It was marked with some special tools and measuring devices, so we know that this line is absolutely center. Now I know spray paint can go underneath when you're spraying it, but I'm just showing that there's some variance and that we're going to try to make them exactly dead on so that there's no binding when we put axles and bearings and bushings and stuff in. Oh, we're gotta be close now. Ready? Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that helps. Okay. Oh, you're right, they do wander, don't they? Not a new one wouldn't wander as bad, but they do. Make it drills. Yeah, it drills good.
There we go.
So I just got home. Needed a shower really badly. What an amazing experience this whole thing. It's been great. I just was thinking when we were looking at it, or I was looking at it when it was just a mess when I pulled it out, and that was only like 5 days ago. And how much you can accomplish. And yes, I mean, I could have taken it, had somebody do the drawings, put in a computer, and have everything absolutely perfect. But trying to save as much money as I can. This is as accurate as I can get it. And my the guy helping me too, he's been great, and he's really trying to get things accurate. But you know, you guys can do it too. You just got to start, and maybe not necessarily worry about the whole project, because that can get you down. And in most projects, when people ask me on stuff, I usually tell them, well, at least get it running or keep it running. So then you can go out there and fire it up, and it's motivating. It's sometimes hard to tear a project down all the way, but this one so far has been really good. And also, when I got home, I have some new parts. Let me show you. Ooh. And as always, thank you so much for trying to support me. I really do appreciate it. I'm trying to make a good go of this, and who knows where this will go, but trying to work on what we should do for another project. I gotta jump back on the fire engine and get some things painted, but that'll probably at least get primered when I primer this frame. So thanks again. Thank you so much. Talk to you next time. Bye.